Watch this. Rifle rise up and exercise up. Boy, blood run through nose like sinus. Them now bust the type of gun them were I bust. Nozzle steam like when potter boil up. And a obia but make them oil up. Copper to them head like saving pan. Bust me gun till me spray me on. Like cologne me spray in gram. Raging bull barrel a spin. Shot a fly and a sing like warrior king. And a stone junglist carry a fling. Better know that. Watch. Yes. You know the general is here, the 10-star one. Sure is. No gimmicks thing na the inner the game. We must see the big war start right now between Mr. Vegas and Bounty Killer. And you have a whole heap of people who are run in my comment section and want to tell me, say, yeah, Killer dead, this, that. Wait. Yo. You stupid or what? You ever hear two songs kill no artist yet? Eh? Furthermore, these artists are not internet artists. You hear me? Mr. Vegas may be louder than Bounty Killer upon the internet, but these artists are not internet artists. These artists bust from the hardcore days of dancehall. Right now, Killer premiere a song named Murder. You see what I say? Yeah. Yeah, Killer premiere that song right now. You see what I deal with? So, we're going to see what go on when the song drop. Because when the song drop, you know we're going to forward and come talk about it set speed. But the war not reach nowhere yet, people. So, for all who are run in my comment box and I say, well then, yeah, because you take up for Killer and you get gunshot in the face and all of this thing. Yo, we not really to follow commenting still, but more time I see them thing there, I have to laugh because I guess so I go on. When you say I go on the internet, a different thing I go on the street. The street different from the internet. And if you go to the street, a total different thing the street I go tell you about. So Mr. Vegas probably run the internet right now to kind of have him own platform and them thing there and film people. Them probably I say, Ray. Killer and them man that have real fan base. And when they come to the street, a total different thing. I don't know, joke thing, no gimmicks thing, a real thing, me I tell you about. Killer premiere the Ross Clark Murder right now. You see what I say? No joke thing, no the inner it. Them a gun bag and gun clown. See you know them the sinner, them own a blood, them drown. Me not busy signal, but me will make the thing them sound. 15 him get out of the 14 brown. The last boy where this me and try stop me bird. Shot shell out him face, still them can't find him head. A beer yellow light, blue light, white spread. Nobody can tell me say that. Watch. Yes, nation paper. You see what I say? Right now, to the talk where I go on the internet and the talk in the street, I get for find out say right now the people them love it. And all who never love it, to all the people all who say them never love it, to all the massa grab on it, them forced to join in. So I see say it's the talk right about now. You see what I say? That I run the place right now. You see what I say? So right now, I know the people them glad for the excitement and the look of Ray and them thing there. Let me tell you something. I already tell you now already from the previous video, and I don't know if no one understand. It's a show. It's a stage show. The Clash of the end. You hear me? It's a stage show. It now go end by where you are set on the internet. You know what I mean? We can talk about it. But them artists there, know them have to go square off on a stage show in front of the people, them eyes. And that will determine the winner this clashing thing where I go on. So for the meanwhile, me could go and enjoy some good clash music, you see what I say, and cheer on the artists them, champion you, stay behind, why for the behind. Real for your champion, you see what I say, make your excitement for your artist where you are champion, but don't tell somebody else what to do. You hear me I say? No gimmicks thing that they in it. You know what I mean? Support your artist, champion your artist, but don't try to tell me what to do or not at all about it. Because what me I do right now, a champion the war. You see what me I deal with? And me liking a special artist that no mean say him have to win the war or he must win the war. You see me? That's just my artist. You see what me I say? Yeah, so me no want to feel like so well then you can forward in the comment section and then call me down and I tell me what to do and I tell me about phone artists and I tell me about this or that or whatever. That not gonna work, my brother. And that not gonna can even help your artist neither, because I don't tell you say this thing is not an internet thing. Them have to go square off on stage. They are not internet artists, my brother. And them no want it square off on the internet neither. Both of them are stage business them a deal with. Because if you no listen to Mr. Vegas, him tell you straight a sting, him want this thing for square off. Him want this thing for go straight back till Boxing Day. So that mean you talk about no time soon, my brother. So me no know how I jump up and I go on board. You see what I say? No, I jump the guns too early. Wait till Killer drop Murder around and not even hear that yet. The intro alone tell us alone massacre and a gimmicks thing that dead about it. Yes, you me I did no joke thing that dead about it. Because it look like Killer all listen to what I say because people are talking about the first song where Killer drop. Some people say them can't hear right now. Killer make sure him go for all verse too and melody. You see me, because I saw him start the song. From you listen to the song, you know it's a lone assassin business. Murderer, assassin. Because first thing in the song Killer I say, him run up na the assassin, you see what I say? Him take the bait and run up na the assassin. So right now we're going to wait and listen for hear when the song drop. It can't get no better than this, people. I tell you now already, it's not a horror come up war, it's not a easy war. Remember around a 20 year worth of vengeance Mr. Vegas a carry inside our heart. So it can't done in a 1 or 2 days. You have to know that him have a lot to say. A 20 year worth of belly Mr. Vegas a carry for Killer. All know the fiplet not born yet. So now for wait people, patient with the artist, them are 20 years Vegas wait before him a retaliate. So una who are running on my comment section that can't change nothing. Because una can't kill Killer upon internet. No joke shit no dead about it. Him have to go square off with Killer upon a stage. Him have to go take the street cred and the stage cred from Killer upon a stage. And that's why him have to go feed. And I know about what una say. I understand say una love no artist or una champion una artist. Make me tell you something. You have a whole heap of Alliance fans in the world where do too. We champion Killer and love him said speed. So no care what una say or what una run, una mouth say, una have to go up on the stage, go prove it, my brother. And that's everything I go finalize. But I respect the way una cheer, una just keep it up and make certain una keep it professional, because we don't have to diss each other. You see what I say? Because the two of them already are doing enough to each other already. So most we as the fans can do enjoy it. You see what I say? Because this is what people say them want. a clashing thing when you say you no want or you no want no hurry come up clash now no easy clash. A long term clash you no want to know the song when you can sing them back to back. You see what I say? Well see it you know. You see what I say? No joke thing not dead about it. See it you know. The big clash is on. You see what I deal with? Killer say him drop the thing named murderer, assassin. Killer, you a murderer, murderer. Killing people are your sport. When they shot them down from the rifle, you cut them bumbuckler throat because you a murderer, murderer. Watch. And the general, you know, the 10-star one. Watch.